If you only have 48 hours in Rome and you want to experience the best of it, this is your perfect walking itinerary. No taxis, no chaos. Just the right mix of history, food, and calm. Let's start with where to stay. For a walkable, first-timer-friendly home base, stay in Monti or Prati. Monti is central, close to ancient Rome, and full of charming shops. It's got that lively, lived-in feel, like a secret pocket of locals inside the tourist zone. Prati is quieter, more refined, and sits just outside the Vatican walls. Great for slower evenings and peaceful strolls. Day 1. Start your morning at 8 a.m. sharp. You're stepping back nearly 2,000 years. Head to the Colosseum. Book tickets in advance from the official Colosseum website. Even better, get the combo ticket that includes the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. As you walk into the Colosseum, look up at the stone arches towering above you. This was once the grand stage for gladiators and emperors, where over 50,000 Romans cheered, roared, and watched spectacles unfold under the blazing sun. Stand still in the arena and picture the clash of steel and the sound of sand being kicked up beneath leather sandals. It's impossible not to feel it. Spend around 2 hours here. Take your time. Morning light makes the Colosseum look unreal, golden, soft, and solemn. When you're done, walk right over to the Roman Forum. You're now standing on what was once the political, spiritual, and commercial heart of ancient Rome. The ruins may look like crumbling stones, but they whisper stories. Here, Julius Caesar walked. Here, elections were held and victories paraded. Climb up to Palatine Hill, one of the oldest parts of the city. According to legend, this is where Romulus founded Rome in 753 BC. From the top, you'll see sweeping views across the Forum and beyond. It's quiet, it's elevated, and you feel like you're watching history from above. By noon, you'll be ready for a break. Good thing you're in Monti. Explore the back streets, check out the local shops, and grab lunch at Al 42 or Osteria da Samu. Both are relaxed, authentic, and walkable from the Forum. After lunch, take a stroll to Villa Borghese Park. It's Rome's version of Central Park. Lush, breezy, and peaceful. Wander through the gardens. You can rent a bike or just relax with a view over the rooftops. In the evening, walk or take a quick metro to Trastevere. This neighborhood is buzzing with life. For dinner, try Tonarello for alfresco dining or go for Antica Osteria Rugantino if you want something cozier. That's day 1. Day 2. Start early, around 7 a.m. You're walking into the heart of Rome before the crowds wake up. First stop, Piazza del Popolo. Once the grand northern entrance to the city, this was where travelers from across Europe first entered Rome. From there, walk up the hill to Pincian Terrace. You'll catch sweeping views of the city rooftops and domes. Head back down to the Spanish Steps. Built in the 18th century, these steps were meant to link French and Spanish territory through design. They're more than just a photo spot. They're a symbol of old-world charm and diplomacy. Next, make your way to the Trevi Fountain. Arrive before the crowds take over. Toss a coin. Make a wish. It's a little cliché, but there's something sacred about it. Legend says if you do, you'll return to Rome. From Trevi, it's just a short walk to the Pantheon. Go inside if it's open. The light through the dome is stunning. Now you're close to Piazza Navona, a perfect place for lunch. Grab a table at Osteria da Fortunata. Watch the pasta being made right in front of you. After lunch, walk around the corner and grab tiramisu at 2 sizes. You won't regret it. Now it's time for the Vatican. Book your tickets online through the official Vatican website. Choose a late afternoon entry time to avoid peak hours. Start with the Vatican museums and finish in the Sistine Chapel. Take your time, but don't feel like you have to see everything. Then walk into St. Peter's Basilica. It's free, but if there's a line, you can skip it by booking a guided tour that ends inside the church. If you have energy left, climb the dome. The view is worth every step. For dinner, you've got 2 great options. Head back to Trastevere if you want more energy and nightlife. Or go for something quieter in Prati, like Il Colibri or Interno 92. Wherever you choose, toast your final night in Rome. Extra tips. Rome is extremely walkable, but if you need to save your feet, the metro works well. You can also pay for buses and trams using their tap and go system with your credit card. For mobile data, I used Iralo to get an eSIM before landing. No roaming charges, no setup stress. Link is in the description. And that's it. 48 hours in Rome. Efficient, relaxed, memorable. Want more curated itineraries like this? Hit subscribe and check the description for all the links mentioned. See you in the next city.